Let's learn how to boil potatoes. I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. We'll start with 3 pounds of Dutch baby yellow potatoes today because they hold their shape well after boiling. We are keeping the skin on, so just make sure to wash them thoroughly. Now let's boil our potatoes. Fill a pot with enough cold water to cover them by about an inch. Add salt to the water, be generous. Turn the burner on high. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, test them with the point of a knife. You will want them to be tender but still firm enough to not be falling apart. Once they've reached this consistency, they're done. Drain the potatoes and cool them off by running cold water over them. And voila, your boiled potatoes are ready. We are boiling our potatoes to use in a wonderful potato salad recipe, which you can view by clicking right here. For more recipes, reviews, and how-tos, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.